Hello Mango, welcome back to the 30 Days of Purpose of Pilates journey with Moving Mango. Today we are going to focus on core stability and balance to help you feel strong and centered from within. And if you're ready, let's tap into that calm strength together.
Hey love, you got your heart on your sleeve, but the shirt on your back's a bit small. Hey you, yeah, your colors are changing, the world ain't half bad after all.
Alright, now let's start by allow yourself to lay down on your back. Arms along the body and bring your feet down. Open your legs hip width apart. Open the chest and pull the belly button in. Now press your lower back down and curl your hips up. And arch your back and hips down a few times here, just so that we can find the neutral of your pelvic. And round the spine and curl up. And arch your back and curl down. And one more time. And bring your pelvic back to the neutral position. Now lift the legs up to tabletop. Heels together, toes apart. And open your knees, shoulders apart. Inhale and start to lengthen one leg to 45 degrees. Exhale, knees bend. And to the other side. And exhale, knees bend. Think about the pelvic that we just moved previously. I want you to keep the pelvic neutral the whole time. You can curl your head up quick and check to see if your pelvic is neutral yet. And your lower back is in neutral yet. Abs all the way in. Inhale, lengthen. And exhale, come back. And to the other side. And back to the center. And 5 more times each side. Inhale. And exhale. And 4 more. Every time you bend the knee, just make sure your legs back to tabletop. Very good. Keep breathing. 3 more. And 2 more. Abs in. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, come back. And last one to the right. Last one to the left. And come all the way back. Hug your knees into your chest. Take a deep breath. Inhale. And exhale, bring your pelvic back to neutral position. Wiggle your hips. Keep your feet centered, arms along the body. Lift one leg up to tabletop. Now, try to keep the hips stabilized. You can bring your hands on top of your pelvic if it helps you to have more awareness. Otherwise, just keep your arms along the body. Open the shoulder, lift the hips up, and lower the hips down. Try to keep the hips stabilized. Still, lift up. And come back. And inhale up. And exhale down. And 2 more times on the same side. And last one, lift up. And lower. Now bring your foot down. And switch to the opposite side. Other leg up. Lift the hips up. And lower. And 4 more. With control. Inhale, lift up 3. Exhale, lower down. And 2 more. And last one. And bring your feet down again. Now open your legs hip width apart. Open your hands a little bit wider. Open your shoulder blades down. Curl your tail up. Press your lower back down. And roll up 1 inch. Your hips off the mat. Your lower back off the mat. And lift the hips up. Now lower your hips down halfway. We're gonna lift one heel up and lower the heel. Your left heel up and lower. Right heel up and lower. And left and lower. And right and left. And 5 more. And 4 more. Keep your hips stabilized. 3 more. And balanced. 2. And last one. And slowly roll down each vertebra at a time. Let's do the 100 now. So bend the knees into your chest. Curl your head up. Keep your arms along the body. Lengthen your leg to 60 degrees. Heels together, toes apart. And start to pump your arms. Inhale 2, 3, 4, 5. And exhale 2, 3, 4, 5. Use your hand to support your head if it's easier for your neck. Try to reach your chest up higher. And exhale 2, 3, 4, 5, and 5 more. And exhale 2, 3, 4, 5, and 4 more. And exhale 2, 3, 4, 5, and 3 more. Exhale 2, 3, 4, 5, and 2. Exhale. And last one. And exhale. And bend the knees all the way in, head down. Rotate your head to the left. And rotate your head to the right. And come back to the center, wiggle your hips. Now bend one knee into your chest and lengthen your opposite leg to 45. Open your elbows. See if you can lift the head up and your chest up now. Think about your pelvic here. Stabilize your pelvic and your whole torso. Keep your torso balanced. Lengthen and switch. And lengthen your leg. And switch your leg again. And every time you bend, you're gonna pull your hands so that you can curl up higher to work your six-pack abs. Curl up and curl up higher. And 5 more. Exhale, curl up. And 4 more. And to the other side. And 3 more. Almost there. And 2 more. And last one. And to the left. And bring your head down. Take a deep breath. Inhale deeply through your nose. And exhale deeply. Rotate your head again from left to right. And back to the center. You're gonna lengthen your leg up to the ceiling and your opposite leg to 45 degrees. Keep your arms along the body. Open your shoulder and chest. Keep your hips stabilized. And lower and switch your leg. And switch. And switch. And switch. And switch. And switch. And 5. And switch. And 4. To the other side. And 3 more. Lengthen your leg. Stabilize the hips the whole time. 2 more. And last one. And bend the knees all the way in. Wiggle your hips. Take a deep inhalation through the nose. And exhale deeply through your mouth. Now, lift both legs up. Flex the ankle. You can make a diamond shape and lower down under your hips so that you can support your lower back abs all the way in. Now lower your legs down, both legs, and then lift the legs up. Don't have to go too far, just to the point that you feel like you can still work your abs without feeling uncomfortable on your lower back. We're gonna start up, not all the way to the ceiling, just to the point that you don't tuck the tail and keep your back in neutral still. And 5 more. Shoulder blades down. And 4 more. Almost there, guys. And 3 more. You're doing great. Come back. And 2 more. Inhale, lower, last one. Exhale, curl up. And bend the knees in. Wiggle your hips from left to right. Take a deep breath. Inhale deeply through your nose. And exhale deeply. Great. And now we are going to keep your arms along the body. Legs up to tabletop. Heels together, toes apart. Now bend the knees into your chest and stretching your legs to the left. Kick your heels to the left. Knees bend. And kick your heels to the right. And knees bend. Press your opposite shoulders down. Kick to the left. And kick to the right. And kick to the left again. And kick to the right. And try to go a little bit further if you feel like you want more deepen into your obliques. And 5 more. And 4 more. Lower a little bit. Bring your feet further away. Very good. Keep breathing. And 2 more times, stay with control each side. And last one to the left. And last one to the right. And bend the knees in and bring your head down. Bring your knees to the left and rotate your head to the right for a little twisting. And rotate your knees to the right, your head to the left. Take a deep breath and hold deeply through your nose. And exhale and come back. Wiggle your hips. Inhale again. And exhale deeply. And when you're ready, we are going to rock up to sitting position. So now sit in the middle of the mat. Now, we are going to lean back and walk your hands down towards the hips first. Lift one leg up and lift the other leg up to tabletop. Try to slide your hands up, open the chest and lengthen the spine here. Open your elbows wide. Inhale and exhale. Now, see if you can relax your hands and don't use your hand to pull and keep, but instead use the abs to keep your torso in this same position and abs all the way in. So you can start to lengthen one arm to the front and opposite arm to the front. If it's a little bit challenging for you, bring your hands back under your legs and it's up to you. Just listen to your body. Now we are going to lower one leg down and lift the leg up, lower the other leg down and lift the leg up and lower your leg and lift up into the other side. We should feel it on your abs, guys, and your legs, and come back, abs in, open the chest. We shouldn't feel anything on your lower back. If you feel like you want more support for your lower back, you can bring your hands behind and to the other side and to the other side. Stabilize the hips. Very good. Keep breathing. And last one to the right. And lift up. Last one to the left. And lower your feet down. Open your knees wide. Flex forward for a little inner hip stretch. Take a deep breath. Inhale deeply to your nose. Wiggle your hips from left to right. And slowly sit up again. Inhale deeply. And exhale. Very good. Now let's lean on one side. And bring your forearms down. Lengthen your top leg up to the front and your bottom leg up to the back. If you want to make it easier, you can bend the knee, your bottom knee in, and lift the lower waist up, lift the hips off the mat, press your hand down on top of each other and look down to the mat. Kick your top leg up and down, and kick up and down, and kick up and down, and 7 more times, and 6. Stabilize your torso. 5. Make sure your shoulders doesn't have any tension. 4, and 3, and 2, and last one. And lower the hips down. Great. So now from here, you can do the same thing just like before, or if you want more challenging, bring your hand behind your head and open your elbows. Make a fist with your hand. Press the hips up, kick your leg up, and lift your leg higher and lower just right at the hips level. Lift up and down, and lift up and down. If you want to make it easier, you can always bring your hand on top of each other again. And 5 more times. And 4 more. And 3 more. And 2 more. And last one. And come all the way back. Very good. Now let's switch to the opposite side. So again, bottom leg bend and top leg straight. Press your hand on top of each other. Now, keep your whole torso facing forward. Look down. Lift the hips up. Great. Kick up and come back 10 times. Kick up and come back. Kick up higher than the hips and lower. And 7 more. And 6. And 5. And 4. And 3 more. And 2. And last one. And lower the hips down 1 second. Again, if you want more challenging, bring your hands behind your head and lift the hips up, lift the lower waist up, lift the leg higher than the hips, kick up and down 10 times, and 9, and 8, and 7, abs in, and 6, and 5, and 4 more. Very good. And 3, almost there, and 2, and last one, and lower the hips all the way down and slowly come and sit up. Now rotate your wrist and reverse. Rotate your shoulders fully to 4 directions and reverse. Rotate your head fully to 4 directions and and opposite direction. And one more time. And opposite. And come back to the center. Take a deep breath. Inhale deeply through your nose. And exhale deeply. And one more deep breath again. And exhale deeply. And well done. Such an amazing work you built. Stability and strength today. Reflect on where you feel the most balance in your life. And tomorrow we are going to focus on a creative flow. So I hope you have a great day. I'm going to see you in the next one. Bye.